Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chris and you're watching the Christian Prince channel. Today I'm going to teach you how do you play the guitar for beginners, and at the ending of this series you'll be able to play a level 3 guitar song. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so for the beginner method, I'm going to be introducing you to some of the basics. So these bars going down, these bars are called frets. So there is in different guitars it's variable, mostly there's 22 or 24. It's between that. In my guitar I think there's 22, but and then there is another thing called strings. So there is, if you can see, there is 6 strings. Some of them are very light, so you won't be able to see them. So there's 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there's 6 strings. You just need to remember this and remember some finger movements. So this is now I'm going to show you the correct way to keep your finger in the guitar. So you can see this handle of the guitar. So you are not going to use a thumb at all in guitar of the left hand. If I'm a righty, so I'm going to use my left hand for my fingers. So I'm going to put my thumb on top like this. I'm going to grip it nicely with my left hand. Once I do that, I take my fingers and keep it in position. My index will go on the first fret, my middle finger go to the second fret, my ring will go third fret. And for beginners we don't use a pinky, so I'm not going to put my pinky anywhere, but we just put it on the board on the neck right now. And for our other hand, the right hand, so with the guitar mostly you will get something like this. It's called a plectrum or a plec. So I've got this blue one. You get in different colors if you want. So my thickness of this thing is 0.96. This is all variable. I hope it's okay, you can see it, but I'm not going to sponsor anything right now. Let's get into the video. So this right hand goes over here like this. You can keep it down for grip, or you can just hold it in the air like this. So this depends on different songs and how are you playing on it. So now let me just, and I'm playing an electric guitar, so I have the controls of the volume and different types of things. If you're playing on the acoustic guitar, don't worry, you can just play harder and the volume will go up. So I'm going to just set the volume over here, and we're going to get start with some things. So now I'm going to tell you to play the first string of the first fret. So first string will go the complete bottom of the first fret, so it goes here, and I play that. Then first string of the second fret, first string of the third fret, and that same goes on for all of them. So then if I say the second string of the first fret, you go like this over here, like that. So yeah guys, that's same for the third string, the fourth string, the fifth string, and the sixth string. If you can see this clearly, it's like that. And then if I say so now if you can see the dots in my guitar, that's for if you're playing very fast and you have to place your fingers. So this dot, the first dot will always be on the third fret, then the second dot will be on the fifth fret, the third dot will be on the seventh fret, and then the fourth dot on the ninth, and then these two dots are the main ones kind of, but those are the 12 frets. That'll be on a high pitch song, and then that'll keep on following for the different ones like this on even. Most of them are even numbers, but some can be odd. So let's play a normal tune, something. So now I'm going to give you a simple song to learn. This is pretty easy. So now follow what I'm going to say. The third string, second fret, keep your hand over here and then play like this. Don't keep it over here. I'm going to give the notes on the screen above somewhere here, I guess. So it's going to be like this. So 0 stands for only playing the string itself. 3 stands for only playing the string. So let's do like this. So you go like this, 3, then the second string, first fret, then second string. I'll keep it on top like the text over here, so you can easily follow. So then next I'm gonna go. That's like a repeat, and then so now that might be a little bit hard for a beginner to just learn like that, but I'll give all these notes and all the stuff for the happy birthday in my description below. So this is going to be like the kind of like the first lesson of this series. So the happy birthday song is easy for like advanced, and it's like kind of like a piece of cake for advanced people, but for beginners it's kind of a little bit hard. So then let me explain to you again. So then you go third string, then third string, second fret, and then again third string. Then you go second string, first fret, then second string. Then you go third string, second fret, third string, then second string, first fret, and then no wait, and it is then second string, third fret, second string, first fret, and then again third string, then first string, third fret, then second string, first fret, then second string, and then third string, second fret, then first string, first fret 2 times, and then you go for second string, first fret, then second string, third fret, second string, first fret. Then that's like a repeat for the happy birthday ka entire song. So if you play in fast, like in the proper rhythm, like that. So some of you guys might have heard about the song Brass in Pocket. In the end of this entire series, you will be able to play that song. It's like a pretty good, like a catchy song. So yeah, keep on following my tutorials. This is going to be part 1. I think there's going to be 3 parts to this, but I guess that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked it, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and even comment down below if you think this video was helpful in any way. And tell me guys if you like this instrument, the guitar, because the guitar is very it's a very cool instrument. It uses both your hands and gives you like lots of, it is very good and beneficial. So yeah, that's it guys, and hope you guys liked it. Peace out.